Ayan
We are
mo.
too fast. Element don't have time to put on us course.
Ang ganda, langka.
First we must to step on the element head or something like that. Or come to the element home to do something better. Then element will get angry.
And then you
will curse us.
yes, and then after that you will go to the doctor quack quack, and then you will say something. The doctor quack quack, they will gonna guess you what is happen or something like, oh, it is from element, this is from people who pass away, or so like for example one of the bad as one of your relatives who have a bad mouth, a stronger. Di ba nagkwento ka ng mga tungkol sa mga elemento tapos ang hirap mong explain?
Charm?
No, like spirit maybe.
Stronger magic?
You know that the person who bad something like
Stronger power?
stronger power. Do we call that something different eh? Bota, abracadabra. Maglakbay tayo hanggang dulo. Papunta na tayo sa exciting part. Diba? That's so much. Be careful on kurba. But kurba in Polish it's bad, yeah?
No, Korba is not bad.
But you said, some people said kurba.
This is another word. But Korba is not bad word. It's not bad word. Korba.
Chorba chorba. Ayan, wala na yung mga kabahay-bahayan dito. Ang taas ng mga puno. Maganda. Grabe, wala talagang pahinga. Tuloy-tuloy yung ano nyo, o yung pagdadrive dito. Wala ka naman paano ka dyan makakapag-park sa gilid. Wala yan. Puro mga kwan, halaman, mga kahoy. Wala, hindi ka talaga makastop dyan. Lang talaga sa makakasalubong mo kasi yung daan, pang kurba-kurba ba siya. Kaya dahan-dahan lang talaga. Pero mabilis tong drive niya. But it's not so really dangerous here because there is a cliff. But they put this barrier, you know, this concrete. So, ayun, may mga bahay na. Finally, we found out houses. 30. 28 minutes away to our destination. Stanford, South Malton. Pero iba yung spelling niya. Yan mga nagmo-motorcycle din.
Started off in a little Catholic class, but then we did it at the festival. 30 years ago. It's insane. It was a really incredible time because we were so young.
We are on the top of the
I
mountain.
was 17 and I wanted to, and this thing happened just when we were 20.
Rock formation.
Caves from here.
Careful, you're moving, love.
They are caves.
Oo na! I heard you already. You don't need to repeat and repeat. Naiinis ako. Paano kasi ang taas-taas na baka
You cannot get
mahulog
into
pa.
the caves without getting into the water. But I think in one cave, the water is not so deep. You can even go there. But not when it's so cold.
Kinakulban ako nito kay Magic ko. Hindi yan.
Lagi, can you bring to come?